This is the control panel for steering gear number 1. It has 3 modes of operation: remote control, stop and local control. Remote control from bridge and local is from the steering gear. We have 2 steering gears and similarly 2 control panels for the steering gear. This is steering motor. The steering motor drives hydraulic oil and causes the rudder to move to port or starboard. We have 2 steering motors. The one painted with red is emergency source. Before we begin, let us first try out the communication with the bridge. We have a sound powered telephone in the steering gear and we will try out the communication with the bridge. The communication is okay. Then we will go on bridge and switch off the tele motor. When we put on hand, the telemotor is off. Now on the steering control panel, we will put it to local control. It is on local control now. We have control in the steering gear of the steering. We can see the rudder angle indicator and the gyro repeater here, and we can do the steering as required. Normally the bridge will tell you a heading and we will follow the heading. The red lever, once you press the red lever, the rudder will go to port, and once you press the green lever, the rudder will go to starboard. We can steer from the steering gear and achieve the heading what we want. We will be in constant communication with bridge during this procedure. We will verify the rudder movement on actually whether the rudder is moving to our desired command. That's it guys, it's easy. The rudder is in local now. An emergency steering drill is conducted every 2 months on board a ship or as per additionally by US requirements, and it is very important that all the crew have hands on the emergency steering and they know about the changeover procedures. So guys, that's it about emergency steering. Stay tuned, please like, share and subscribe. This is Nawaf Ghazi. Bye bye.